Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, if you want to disable autoplay videos and live photos in Photos app, then keep watching this video till the end because in this video I'm going to teach you how you can fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, very first thing what you need to do is just click on the settings icon to open the settings application. After that, scroll down to see photos and tap on it. On the photos menu, scroll down and tap on toggle next to the autoplay videos and photos. After doing this, autoplay videos and live photos feature will be disabled on your device. So guys, this method will work on any iOS device. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.